How does a giant company get everything it needs to operate, from steel to software? It's not just buying stuff. This strategic process is called procurement. We'll break down what it is and why it matters to you, whether you're a professional, entrepreneur, or just a curious consumer. Section 1. The core definition. At its core, procurement is the strategic process of acquiring all goods and services a company needs. The key word is strategic. It's not a list of transactions, but a core business function using planning and analysis to get the best possible value. It's the brain behind a company's spending, ensuring the right resources are in the right place at the right time. Section 2. Procurement versus purchasing. The big misconception. A common mistake is confusing procurement with purchasing. Think of buying a car. Purchasing is the single act of paying for it. It's a transaction. Procurement is the entire journey. The research, test drives, and analyzing the total cost of ownership, including gas, insurance, and maintenance. It's negotiating the price and the long-term relationship. Purchasing is one tactical step within the larger strategic framework of procurement. Section 3. Why businesses should care. The value. Companies invest in procurement because it drives success. First, cost management. It's not just about the lowest price, but the total cost of ownership, TCO, including all costs from shipping to maintenance, delivering huge savings. Second, risk management. A good procurement team builds a resilient supply chain, avoiding over-reliance on single suppliers and creating backup plans to prevent costly delays. Third, quality and innovation. Procurement ensures high-quality standards are met. By partnering with suppliers, they also tap into new technologies, creating a competitive advantage. Section 4. Why you should care. The value. So why should you care? As a consumer, procurement affects the price, quality, and availability of the products you buy. It's also how companies act on their values, choosing sustainable or ethical suppliers. As an employee, understanding procurement is a career advantage. It demonstrates business acumen and a grasp of value, risk, and long-term strategy, skills that leaders look for. Section 5. The procurement process. How it works. How does it work? The cycle starts when a need is identified. The procurement team then researches and vets potential suppliers. Next, they request proposals and negotiate the best contract, focusing on price, quality, and delivery. Once a supplier is chosen, a formal purchase order is created. After delivery and inspection, the final crucial step is managing the supplier relationship long-term to ensure continuous value and improvement. Section 6. Real-world examples, direct versus indirect. Procurement has two main flavors. Direct procurement is for anything that goes into a final product, like the steel for a car. Indirect procurement is for everything a business needs to operate that isn't in the final product, like office supplies, marketing services, or software. Procurement is far more than buying things. It's a strategic function that drives savings, reduces risk, and sparks innovation. Understanding it gives you a clearer view of how business really works. If this was helpful, like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what business topic you'd like to see next.